Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of minus 0.11, which is notably lower than our historical baseline for finance sentiment. This suggests a significant dip in positive sentiment despite an impressive momentum of plus 0.59 over the last 24 hours. What's driving this disconnect? With our API, you can access this data and receive semantic clusters that reveal underlying trends. In this case, you might want to explore how specific news events are affecting sentiment in real time, allowing you to adjust your trading strategies on the fly. Don't miss out on insights that could inform your decisions. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs to explore these powerful capabilities firsthand.